Good morning students, welcome back to the social science class. In our previous class, you know very well, we have started the lesson Our Karnataka. So as we have started the lesson Our Karnataka, so from this lesson already we have discussed about some of the important concepts. So as we have discussed some of the important concepts, the next important thing what we need to discuss from this lesson is forests and wildlife. See, now we are discussing about the Kalaburgi division. In our Karnataka, we are discussing about the Kalaburgi division. So till now we have discussed about the history of the districts which are coming under the Kalaburgi division. Okay. Now we are going to see how is the forest and wildlife in this division. So the percentage of forest, either it is highest or it is lowest. See, especially when it comes to the forest and wildlife, this division is a forest deficit division. So what do you mean by deficit? Deficit in the sense, here we are going to come across shortage of forest. The percentage of area which comes under the forest in this division is very less, and as a result there are no big wild animals here. So we are going to find the big animals only in the densely forested areas. So here it is not possible for us to see the densely forested area. So as it is not possible for us to see the densely forested area, here it is not possible for us to see the wild animals like tiger or lion or elephant. So apart from that, we are going to say hardly langur, deer, fox, bear, wolf, wild dogs are found in this division. See, the percentage of forest is very less. So as a percentage of forest is very less, we are going to come across a very few wild animals in this region. And the two small wild animals are going to be found like langur, deer, fox, bear, wolf and wild dogs also commonly found in our division. And Darozi Bear Sanctuary, it is in Ballari district. Darozi, what we can say, that is the bear sanctuary, and it is located in the Ballari district. And here we are going to come across the deers in Raichur district. Deer, you know, so deer is also going to be known as one of the pretty animal, and usually many of the people, if you go back to the history, in the history, kings or the emperors, they used to hunt the deers for the, what we can say means for their shelf, this one, and these deers are going to be found in Raichur district of our division. Okay, so next, apart from that, we are going to discuss today even agriculture and industry also. See, especially when it comes to the agriculture, India itself is going to be known as the agro-based country. As India itself is going to be known as the agro-based country, in Karnataka also, the agriculture is the main occupation of the people. And especially in Karnataka, when it comes to the Kalaburgi division, in Kalaburgi division also, the agriculture is going to be considered as the main occupation of the people. Nearly 70% of the people, those who are living in this division, they are totally dependent upon the agriculture. Okay, now you see, the average rainfall is less, and you see actually the main occupation itself is the agriculture, and agriculture is totally dependent upon the rainfall, and that rainfall is only very less in our region. Comparing to the South Karnataka, our Kalaburgi division is there, Kalaburgi division is going to receive less rainfalls. Okay, and next you see, crops are grown according to the rains. Now you see, if we are getting a good rains, according to that rains only, the crops are going to be selected by the farmers and they are going to grow that crops only. So as the average rainfall is less, the division is prone to droughts often. You see, as average rainfall is very less in our region, most of the time the Kalaburgi division is going to experience the drought or the famine. So famine or drought means where the crops are totally failed. if the crops are totally failed, automatically we are going to experience the drought, or we are going to experience the famine, where the people are going to struggle like anything to manage the food also. Okay, hence the district of these divisions are called as a drought prone districts. Now you see, as a result, the districts those who are coming under the Kalaburgi division are going to be known as the drought prone districts. Drought prone districts in the sense, often and often these districts are going to face this famine or drought once in 10 years or once in 5 years, or sometimes continuously 2 or 3 years they are going to face the same famine or the drought. Iron and steel industries, sugar industries, cement industries and thermal power plants are the major industries of this division. Now you see, usually you know very well, industries are going to play a very important role in the economical development of the country. And as the industries are going to play a very important role, that industries are also going to be seen in our Kalaburgi division also. Among the industries, the iron and steel industry and sugar industry, cement industry and thermal power stations are quietly seen in our division. These have provided employment to the people here. Now you see, these industries are there, no? These industries have provided the employment for the people, those who are living in this Kalaburgi division. So as I said you, in our area, the rainfall is very less. The average rainfall is very less, no? Even though people are depending upon the agriculture, now what is happening? With the development of industries, many of the people, they are shifting from agriculture to the industrial work, and these industries are only providing the job opportunities or employment opportunities for the people, those who are living in this division. The Bidar art of the Bidri art of Bidar is very famous. So Bidri art, so do you know what I mean by Bidri art? So usually we are going to see the drawings on bamboos. So that is very famous, which is from Bidar district all over the Karnataka. Ballari and Koppala have larger iron and steel industries. So Ballari as well as the Koppala is there, no? They are having larger deposits of this iron ore, and as a result the iron and steel industries are going to be seen in these districts, that is Ballari and Koppala. Okay, next you see, similarly Yadgiri, Kalaburgi have huge cement industries. Now you see, especially when it comes to the Yadgiri, there is the Wadi, Shahabad, Chinchodi and many other areas are there where it is possible for us to see the cement industries. Okay, and next you see, the tourism of this place is slowly picking up. Hampi, Tungabhadra Dam, Sannati of Kalaburgi district, Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah, the fort of Bidar, Baso Kalyan, Hatti gold mine of Raichur are the major tourist centers of the division. Hatti gold mine of Raichur district produces the highest gold in India. Now you see, in this division we are going to come across some tourist place also. So these tourist places are also going to attract the people from different corner of the state and corner of the country. So especially when it comes to the tourism, no? So we are going to see Tungabhadra Dam, and next, so Sannati comes in again the Yadgiri district itself, and next you say Khwaja Bande Nawaz Dargah, Gulbarga, Bidar Fort, Baswa Kalyan, Anubhava Mantapa. You might have heard about the Baswa Kalyan Anubhava Mantapa, and this gold mines of the Raichur, and these are considered as the tourist place in this division. And you know very well, Raichur, there is the Hatti gold mines, it is in Raichur, and this Hatti gold mines is there, no? It is the place which is going to produce the highest of gold in our India. So we need to feel very proud, we are rich in gold. Okay, next, art, literature, music, folklore, theatre and dance, that we are going to discuss in our next period. Okay, so today you do one thing, as a part of the homework, list out the important tourist places in Kalaburgi division. So only few are there, 5 to 6 are there. That 5 to 6 tourist places in Kalaburgi division are supposed to be listed out, and that will be your homework. Okay, thank you.